Isabel's father, and his sanity is only so-so. Now the wheels in my head have been turning since I looked at that loony old man. Now I promised myself I'd be married to Belle, and right now I'm evolving a plan. If I took yes, then we. No, would she? Guess. Now I get it. Let's go. No one. Lots like Gaston. Takes cheap shots like Gaston.
Plans to persecute harmless crackpots like Gaston.
Yes, I'm endlessly, wildly resourceful.
Has down to the depths to descend.
I won't even be mildly remorseful.
Just as long as you get what you want in the end.
Who's got brains like Gaston?
Entertains like Gaston.
Can make up these endless refrains like Gaston. So much.